there, future developers. Welcome to an exciting journey into modern web development. If you're looking to gain hands-on experience, work on web applications, and sharpen your skills in an agile environment, you're in the right place. Are you ready to gain real-world experience, dive into hands-on learning, and work with cutting-edge web technologies? This 4-month remote internship is your chance to make it happen. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills, this internship is your gateway to the exciting world of web development. Let's get started. This 4-month remote internship offers a unique opportunity to dive into full-stack web development. Gain hands-on experience in building and deploying modern web applications, equipping you with the skills to excel in the industry. This internship follows a structured approach to help you learn, build, and grow effectively. You'll start with onboarding, getting familiar with the team, tools, and projects. Next, you'll follow a learning path for the first few weeks to build a strong foundation. Once equipped with the necessary skills, you'll work on real-world projects in an agile environment, gaining hands-on experience. Throughout the journey, you'll receive code reviews and feedback, helping you refine your skills and follow best practices. This structured approach ensures you get the most out of your internship. In this internship, you'll develop a well-rounded skill set in full-stack web development. You'll start with front-end development, creating interactive and user-friendly interfaces. Moving to back-end development, you'll work on server-side logic to power applications. You'll also gain experience in API integration, connecting different services for seamless functionality. Additionally, you'll dive into database management, learning to store and retrieve data using PostgreSQL, MySQL, or MongoDB. To complete the experience, you'll explore UI/UX design, ensuring applications are both visually appealing and user-friendly. This hands-on journey will equip you with the essential skills needed to excel in web development. As an intern, you'll work with key technologies essential for modern web development. You'll use ReactJS to build dynamic and responsive user interfaces, while NodeJS will power the back-end, enabling seamless server-side functionality. You'll also work with Prisma, an ORM that simplifies database interactions, making data management more efficient. Additionally, you'll master HTML, CSS, and TailwindCSS to create visually appealing and responsive designs. Through hands-on experience with these technologies, you'll gain the skills to develop and deploy real-world web applications. Get exposure to responsive web development, ReactJS, RESTful APIs, and efficient database interactions. Build seamless, scalable applications while mastering industry best practices. This internship equips you with the skills to develop high-performance web solutions. In this internship, you'll work in an agile development environment, following a structured workflow to enhance collaboration and efficiency. The process starts with sprint planning, where goals and tasks are defined. Daily stand-ups keep the team aligned by sharing progress updates. At the end of each sprint, you'll participate in a sprint review, demonstrating completed work and gathering feedback. Finally, the sprint retrospective allows for reflection, identifying areas for improvement. This hands-on agile experience will prepare you to work effectively in real-world development teams. Collaboration is at the heart of this internship. You'll engage in pair programming, working together on coding tasks, participate in code reviews to improve code quality, and receive mentorship from experienced developers. This hands-on teamwork will enhance your skills and prepare you for real-world development environments. This internship offers valuable real-world experience, helping you develop practical web development skills while building a strong portfolio. You'll gain networking opportunities by connecting with experienced developers and potential employers, giving you an edge in career advancement. Whether you're looking to sharpen your skills or boost your job prospects, this internship sets you on the right path. Step into the exciting world of web development, where you'll explore key learnings and take on real-world responsibilities throughout your journey. Writing clean, maintainable code is a crucial skill in web development, and this internship will help you master it. You'll focus on code quality, ensuring your code is clear, concise, and easy to maintain. Proper documentation will be emphasized, helping you explain the logic behind each component and function, making collaboration smoother. Additionally, code reviews will play a key role in your learning process, allowing you to receive valuable feedback from peers and mentors to continuously improve your coding practices. By the end of this internship, you'll be equipped with best practices for writing high-quality, professional-grade code. Creating pixel-perfect UIs requires a blend of collaboration and attention to detail. In this internship, you'll work closely with designers to translate their creative vision into interactive UI components, ensuring seamless user experiences. Precision is key, as you'll focus on adhering to design specifications, maintaining consistency, and delivering visually appealing interfaces. By refining your ability to craft clean, responsive, and intuitive designs, you'll develop the skills needed to build stunning and user-friendly applications. Optimizing for performance and scalability is crucial in web development. Through performance tuning, you'll learn to identify and resolve bottlenecks, ensuring web applications run smoothly and load efficiently. At the same time, mastering scalability will enable you to design systems that handle growing traffic and data volumes, keeping applications robust as they expand. This internship will equip you with the skills to build high-performing, scalable web solutions that meet real-world demands. Version control is a crucial part of our development workflow, and we strictly follow Git best practices. In this internship, you'll master the fundamentals of Git, including cloning repositories, branching, committing changes, and merging branches efficiently. We use GitLab as our primary platform for managing repositories, collaborating on code, and tracking project progress. By adhering to these best practices, you'll develop the skills needed to work in a structured and professional development environment. Active participation in Agile processes is key to this internship. You must attend daily stand-ups to discuss progress and challenges, and take part in sprint reviews to present work and gather feedback. Engaging in these Scrum events will enhance collaboration and real-world development experience. Troubleshooting and debugging are essential skills in this internship. You'll learn to identify issues, pinpointing the root cause of errors using debugging tools and techniques. You'll then work to resolve problems, implementing effective solutions to ensure smooth application performance. Learn to deploy web applications using platforms like Vercel and Netlify for fast and efficient hosting. Gain hands-on experience with cPanel, DigitalOcean, and AWS, ensuring smooth and scalable deployments. These are some required skills, but don't worry, we don't expect you to be an expert. This internship is about learning, growing, and building confidence in web development. If you have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and ReactJS, you're already on the right path. What matters most is your curiosity, willingness to learn, and persistence. With the right mindset, you'll gain the skills needed to succeed, and we'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to embark on this exciting web development journey? Visit our website to learn more and apply today. This is a chance to build your career in the exciting field of web development. Thank you for taking the time to explore this exciting web development internship. We can't wait to see you grow, learn, and build amazing projects. This is your opportunity to gain real-world experience and take the next step in your career. Good luck, and we look forward to welcoming you on this journey. See you soon.